Hi, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today I am going to talk about International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development is observed each year on 5th December. The United Nations General Assembly approved this day. The day is a unique chance for volunteers to celebrate their efforts and share their values. It helps to promote their work among their communities at different levels. The day also contributes to peace and progress by making all volunteers join hands. The day aims towards appreciating the commitment of the volunteers. Public awareness about the benefits of volunteering is another motive of this day. The volunteers help in maintaining harmony and continuous human development. Volunteers also use the online platform to work towards development. Online Volunteering Award is given to the most dedicated volunteer.